Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Restart the phone and observe when lag appears, because that tells you if it's app-specific or system-wide. Once done, free at least 1 GB of storage and temporarily disable heavy widgets. This reduces background I/O that causes stutter. Make sure Android and major apps are updated to eliminate known performance bugs. You're already fixing the low-hanging causes. Next, we'll dive into deeper settings and app-level troubleshooting to isolate the issue. Now you tackle the complex middle. Identify offending apps by force-stopping recently used or high CPU apps and clear their caches, since corrupted cache often causes lag. Then go to Settings, Apps, Battery, and restrict background activity for non-essential apps to reduce CPU wake-ups. Next, enable developer options and lower or disable window, transition, and animator durations. Also set background process limit to 1 or 2 to preserve responsiveness. These steps trade some multitasking for a noticeably smoother screen experience. Finish by validating changes, reboot into safe mode and use the device. If lag disappears, a third-party app is to blame, so uninstall recent offenders. If problems remain, wipe the system cache partition to remove residual data, and only if necessary perform a factory reset after backing up your data. Make sure to monitor device temperature. Thermal throttling reduces performance, so let the phone cool and avoid charging while testing. If nothing helps, consider hardware evaluation. Battery or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.